Let's create a wedding invitation together. First up, picking a design. We can save so much time by starting with one of these stock templates. Okay, I'm deleting the current illustration. We'll be adding a different one in just a sec. Now I'm selecting all the text, heading up to alignment, switching it from left aligned to centered, and then clicking Align Objects, Align Horizontal Center to center everything. Next, I'm making Bella and Lucas a little bigger. I want their names to really stand out. Time to add our new illustration. I'm clicking on Elements, then Illustrations. There are so many cute options, but I think I'll go with this one. I'm dragging it into the bottom left corner, and now I'm going to duplicate it by holding Ctrl and C to copy and Ctrl and V to paste. You can also just hit Clone Object if that's easier. Just making a few tweaks, adjusting the layout so everything feels nice and balanced. Last thing, I'm changing the color of the names to match the illustration. A small change, but it really ties everything together. Our wedding invite is complete, polished, personal, and perfectly put together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design walkthroughs.